Check out that. Check it out. It is a bit drizzly this morning. It's overcast, and I decided to start digging up my little yellow potatoes. Those are the little tiny potatoes that I planted and froze. See, here's one of the plants. I've been digging them up, and yeah. Look what I got so far. That's pretty cool, right? Look, this one even has a root growing out of the bottom, but they look pretty nice. This is about the size of the potato. I mean, this is pretty big, but this is about the size. It looks like I'm getting a root out of that one too. But yeah, this is about the size that they were in the bag when I bought them. Yeah, I'm all dirty. Been playing. So yeah, so that's pretty cool, huh? I guess I will continue. I just thought I would share. And as I'm digging closer to this side, because I planted the sweet potatoes here, you can see the tops of the sweet potatoes died, but there are lots of sweet potatoes underneath there. So I'm not going to dig the sweet potatoes up. I'm just going to let them do whatever they do. If they do nothing, or if they do something, because they're the right size, and if they will become worm food, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So this one right here is green, but all the other ones look edible. So yeah. All right then. I did bring a handful of them in the day after, when I told you about it before, after the freeze. See, here's one of my plants right here. I dug this one up. This was my best one. Anyway, yeah, so. Anyway, I guess I'll get busy. It's sprinkling on me pretty good now. And I don't know if I'm going to do those or not. But I don't know where I put them. My blueberries look all right. The blueberries look okay. So I'm really happy about that. And I'm hoping that my blackberries do look really well. I mean, I have some leaves right at the end right here that don't look good, but for the most part they look fine. We'll just have to see. Anyway, so yeah, I was trying to uncover that, but it's not going to help because we got a water leak, so I can't even use some pipes busted in the attic, so we're gonna have to fix that. I can't even use my water, so I'm glad it's sprinkling. My things are getting watered. Oh, I can see my pepper plant over there did die. I can see the leaves look dry. They didn't look dry the other day. Well, they're not dry. They're actually just whatever. Anyway, they're all dead anyway. I should have dug them up. My husband found that in the garage, put it out here, but yeah. I don't know if a cat ever used the cat bed or not. Anyway, I tried to keep him warm. Whoever he is or she. Anyway. Oh, my finger. The birds are still chirping and the wind chimes are still going. But yeah, that's how it is. Alright.
Yes, this is Lisa with the Barnyard Chicken, sitting on my love and my hugs. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to help me repair my busted water pipe, just being silly, please hit the little applaud button under this video. It's a little heart. Thanks. Surprise, Lisa. Chicken out.